more of the issues figured out on it, I think.
Woohoo! It's a lucky map.
We'll clean up a little more here. We'll see what happens after that. We gotta see what's going on at the corral.
Yeah, we should.
I like where this shifter is. You look cozy. Eyes to the sky. Did you just swear?
The wind's been gusting to almost 80 here for most of the day, so there's a lot of big banks blowing back in here. Hi, Larry! Hi! wind has gone down, but it's minus 40 again here with the wind chill. Just wanted to show you the effects after yesterday's, I don't know, it was close to 70-kilometer-an-hour wind, on top of all of that fresh fluffy snow I had shown you in the last video, has made some pretty big banks out here in the corrals. All the heifers are in their house here yet this morning. Everyone's just starting to gather to start doing chores, but going to be moving a bit of snow today. Look at that. Ivan was telling some stories of back in the day here when we used to have steers. They would just stand and chew their cud as the blizzard raged around them, and they would end up buried in the snowbanks just because they didn't really notice. Thankfully no one's buried out here, but wow, look at that bank. They have a shelter snowbank, right?
Yeah.
Keep them out of the wind. They're smart, those girls.
And they're fluffy.
There's Fluffy in there?
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
They might have straight.
And Mousy? A little bit of snow in the corral.
Never scared me.
That's a good job. So I was just going to do a little ending on my video here. Ivan's actually out pushing bush finally with the cat. We have everything running, and I was just heading out of the yard and buried my blazer down here by the creek. There's a blowing snow advisory on here today, and it's about 0 degrees, so the snow is heavy and wet. Sorry for the wind noise. Nick was here trying to help, but he got frustrated, so I don't know if he's going to be back just here for the night. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. I'll give you an update on everything here in the next one. Well, I got out. Nicholas had to go get the tractor in order to give my vehicle a good enough yank to get it out of the hard-packed snow. She was hung up pretty good. So now I'm just heading over to bring Ivan some coffee. We're going to have coffee together and then just see how he's making out. As you can see, it is still blowing pretty good, mostly just ground drifting though. Whistling right across the highway. I don't know what the wind speed is. It must be around 60 kilometers an hour, so it's a pretty good breeze. I'll bring you back here in a minute when I get out to the field and we can see how Ivan's doing.